Class 9 R.S. Aggarwal chapter 1, there is a number system. Number system. In the number system, first we have to know the numbers. What are the numbers? First numbers come the natural number. Natural number. What is a natural number? Natural numbers, the number which we start counting, means whatever item we can start counting from the 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So that are the natural number. We call it a counting number. Counting number are called natural number. Natural number, and it is denoted by capital N. So capital N, always we write inside the capital N. This we call a set 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So this will study the set you will study in the higher class, that is in the class 11. But while always the natural numbers are written in the set. By which number it represent? It represent by capital letter. What is a natural number? The number which we start counting is called a natural number. So next we come a whole number. What is a whole number? Whole number, it's almost natural number, only 0 is added. All natural number together with 0 form a collection of whole number. All natural number together with 0, together with, means if we add the 0 then it became a whole number. Together with 0 is called whole number. Whole number. By which number it's represent? It represents in W. This is, we call it curly bracket. There are 3 types of bracket. One, this is the parenthesis, this is curly bracket, and this is a big bracket or a box bracket. There are 3 types of bracket. This is the parenthesis, this is the curly bracket, this is a big bracket or the box bracket. So we will represent by the curly bracket. So here only 0 is added. So 0, 1, 2, 3 dotted in G. Now all natural number is included in the whole number. So all the natural numbers are whole number. All the natural numbers are whole number. Since all the numbers of the natural number is included in the whole number. After whole numbers there is an integer. Integer is combination of all the positive and negative numbers. Integer. So integers, all natural number, all natural number, comma 0 and negative and 0 and negative of natural number. Natural number. Natural number form the collection of all integer. Form the collection of all integer. Form the collection of all integer. This is only for the understanding. In the maths there is no definition. Definition doesn't come to the exam, but we need only for the understanding. So this is the integer. What is the integer? All the natural numbers along with 0 and the negative of the natural number. So how are we going to write? It's represented by the capital letter Z. It's written in the I, but it's written by a capital letter Z. So Z is equal to negative of the natural number. It will go up to infinity. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will go up to infinity. So if it can be written in this form of this, also it can be written in the Z equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to infinity. Both are correct. First we have the natural number. What is a natural number? All the counting numbers, whole number. If we add the 0 in the natural number, it became the whole number. Integer, natural number, 0 along with the negative of the natural number. So these are the three. After that integer, there is a rational number. What is a rational number? All the fractions which we learnt in the lower class, the fractional form of a number is called a rational number. Rational number. The number which is written in the form of P by Q. The number of the form P by Q, where P and Q are the integer, or where P and Q are integer. P and Q are integer and Q does not equal to 0 are not known as rational number. Rational number. A number which is written in the form of P by Q and Q does not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Example, the number which in a fractional form. There is 1 by 2, this is also rational number, and another there is 2 by 5 or 5 by 2. This is a rational number. A number which is written in the form of P by Q is a rational number. And in a rational number we have to already in the rational number there will be two rational number. One is a terminating and another is non-terminating. Okay, that one we will learn later on. Now, what is the equivalent rational number? Equivalent rational number, there is a rational number, all the numbers are equal. Equivalent rational number. Equivalent means equal. Whenever 2 or 3 rational number are equal is called a equivalent rational number. Rational number do not have a unique representation. Do not have a unique. Unique means different. Unique representation in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integer, P and Q are integer and Q does not equal to 0. So when a number in P by Q means there are lots of after cancelling every number will remain the same. There is a simplest. So let's take 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. It will go on in this way. See how? If you bring to this, if you cancel this, here also you are going to get half. If you cancel this number, else here also the result is half. If you cancel this, here also the result is half. So all the result are half. Therefore, it became the equivalent. If you cancel, if you bring to the simplest form, if you all the result are equal, that is the equivalent. Now come to the simplest form of rational number. 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 A rational number, when they are means one, if one has become its only factor, common factor, that it will be the simplest form. A rational number, whenever it is a rational number it will be p by q, is said to be in its simplest form if p and q are integer having no common factor other than 1, that is p and q are co-prime, p and q are co-prime. Co-prime is 1 is only the common factor, co-primed, and q will always does not equal to 0. Means the simplest way, if you cannot cancel a number, the last result, that is a simplest form. Example, if you give the 2 by 4, this is not a simplest form, it's cancelable. Both this number can be cancelled by 2. If you divide, if we cancel by 1, 2, now it became this. So this is the simplest. If there is 5 by 15, could cancel it, so both are cancelable. This we can cancel by 5, that is 1. If we cancel by 5 3 7, so 1 by 3. So this became the simplest form. So here is 1 is only the common factor. This say 1 is the only co-prime, means these number are divisible by only 1, is called a simplest form. The simplest form, to remember, the number which we cannot cancel more is called a simplest form. Now will be representation of rational number in the number line. Now, a representation of rational number on the number line. Representation of rational number on real line or number line? Real line, meaning are same. So whenever a number is given, that we have to represent on the number line. What is a number line? This is a number line. First, this is a number line. It will go up to infinity. This side is the positive and this side is negative. If there is a 0, this side will be 1, this side will be 2, this side will be 3, and this side 1, 2, 3. If any rational number, if there is any given rational number, that rational number we have to represent on the rational line. Let's take 1 by 3. If we are going to represent that, this is 1 by 3. Now first see what is this in front of this number. In front of this, always check as a mixed fraction. Here in front of this there is nothing, means you have to take this number between we can take a 2 number, that is another will be, let's say 1 by 3. Now to represent this and to represent this, first you have to check where does it lies. So it lies between 0 to 1 and it lies between, see here 1 is there, so it will start after the 1. So now so we come to know this is the number line. Here I have this 0, this side will be 1. How many division will be there? Now see the denominator. When there is a denominator is 3, there will be 3 division. It means inside this there will be 3 division. If denominator is 4, so inside this denominator will be 4. So here denominator is 3. So there will here will 3 division. 1, don't count this 0. It will start from 1, 2, 3. Here it will be end. 3. These 3 will be our 1. After 0, it is 1 again. 1, 2, 3. After 1, it will be 2. So this is the 2. and it will goes in this way. So I need 1 by 3. Now where is 1 by 3? Here 1, 2, 3. So this will be 1, here 1. Now come to the earth of, there is 1, so it will be 1 by 3. Here this will be 1 by 3. This is our 1 by 3. Now come to the this 1. After 1, let's take this is the 2. After 1, this is now 2 by 3. 1 is here, so it will be lies between 1 and 2. If it is 1 by 2, it will lies between 1 and 2. Now here what is the in the top, so it will this 2. So come to the 1, it will start counting from here. It will be 0, 1, 2. So it will be here. The number is here. You can do 1, or there is 2 by 3. So this is the representation of a rational number on a real line. After that, here next is we have to find the rational number between between the given rational number. There will be 3 methods. Finding the rational number between finding the rational number between given number finding the rational numbers between two given rational number. There will 2 rational number given. From that 2 rational number, we have to find a rational number. So finding the rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. So there will be method 1. There will be totally 2 methods. There will be x and y will be given. 2 rational number will be given. If there is 2 rational number is given, so that is x, and x will be, this is the less than y. Whenever x is less than y, okay, this is the less than symbol, less than, and this is greater than. So when 2 rational number is given, then from here if we have to find another rational number, so rational number is equal to x plus y divided by 2. X if there is a 2 rational, this is the method 1, rational number, 2 rational number are given, so x is less than y, then the rational number will be x plus y divided by 2. This is the first method. Now come to the second method. There will be 3 methods. Method 2. In the method 2, there will be 2 rational number, and the rational number with like denominator. What is a like denominator? When the denominator numbers are same, we call it like denominator. There will be 2 rational number. Here we are going to find only 1 rational number, and we have to find a n rational number. Here we have to find a n rational number. This is x and this is y. 2 rational numbers are given, and both are the like denominator. With like denominator means, let's take this is 3 by 5, another is this is x, and another y is 4 by 5. See, whenever the denominator is same, we call it a like denominator. Like denominator. There will 2 rational number, and the rational numbers will like denominator, and we have to find n. In the method 1, we are going to find only 1. Here we have to find the n, means n. They may say to find the 2 rational number, 3 rational number, 4 rational number. So then we are going to find it. First, what we are going to do it, we will take it to the equivalent rational number. So first we will take this in the equivalent rational number, we will convert it to the equivalent rational numbers. If it is not equal, then we will convert to the equivalent rational number, and we will multiply this with n plus 1, both in the numerator and the denominator. First we will convert it to a equivalent rational number. Okay, I'll take good example. First, here O is already in the equivalent rational number. Here O is already equivalent rational number. Let's find, we are going to find a 5. Let's take, we are going to find a 5. So if it is the 5, now n plus 1, you are going to multiply both. So this and this, n plus 1. What is n plus 1? That is 6. So multiply both, that is 3 into 6 by 5 into 6. So now 18, this became 30. Another, now multiply this also, 4 into 6, 5 into 6, 24, it became 30. Now in the middle, that will be our 6 rational number or our 5 rational number between this 18 to 24. Down is same, this is 60, this is 30, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we got a 5 rational number in the middle. Now the method 3. In the method 3, there will be 2 rational numbers and we have to find a n here also, and here is not a mixed fraction, here is not like denominator. Method 3. In the method 3, 2 rational number will be given, x and y, and x is less than y. Then you have to find d here, d equal to y minus x divided by n plus 1. As soon as you got the d, then the rational number are, here will be n rational number. You have to find an n rational number, means you have to find a rational number more than 1, means 2, 3, 4, they may ask anything. So that the rational number are, it will be x plus d, x plus 2d, it will increase, it will go in this way, x plus nd. So this is the d, you got it, we got it from here, that is y2 minus x divided by n plus 1. So for finding the rational number, we have 3 methods.